Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to update Windows 11 Bluetooth driver. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To update your Bluetooth driver on Windows 11 in 2024, you can't follow these general steps. Right-click on the Start button and choose Device Manager from the menu. In the Device Manager window, expand the Bluetooth category to view your Bluetooth device. Right-click on your Bluetooth device and choose to click Update Driver. Choose the option to search automatically for updated driver software. Windows will then search online for the latest driver updates for your Bluetooth device. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.